Hello students, this is Nisha here from Sri Kolhapuri Doll School, Chennai. Many of you have asked me when is the class, should we bring any materials or is there a fee, etc. So I thought I will take a video and help you understand what will be the class about. So this is a completely free class. The class is on May 1st, 2025 at 11 o'clock. So I have requested you all to join a group because I will be sharing the Zoom link in the group. Otherwise, there are 300 plus people who have registered for the class. So it would be difficult for me to send individual messages. So that is the reason I requested you to join the group so that I will share the Zoom link by tomorrow evening, late evening, I will share the Zoom link. So as I said, this is a free class and you need not pay any fees for this class. That is the first thing. The second thing is what you will learn. I see that lots of new people have registered for this program. So when I say new people, it is beginners who are completely new to doll making. So this class will focus on people who are completely new to handicrafts or with little bit of experience in doll making. So I will be helping you, I will be showing you a live demo of how I am converting an ordinary doll into a beautiful doll with easily available items. I will also talk about where can you buy materials, what kind of materials that you have to use, and how can you sell your products. Marketing tips will also be shared in between the demo session. So the first 10 minutes will be an introduction session, and after that for almost 20-25 minutes it will be a live demo where I will show you how I am converting an ordinary doll into a beautiful doll. Then we will talk about the materials, where can you buy materials, what type of materials use, etc. And then I will also talk about the different other classes, the paid classes, online and offline paid classes that I have, and summer special offers on paid classes. All this I also explain at the end of the session. So it will be a 1.5 hour program, 11 to 12:30. So I want you all to log in by 10:50 or 10:55 so that there is no last minute rush. And we can start on time and close on time. And we will end with question and answer. If you have any questions, please make a note of all the questions and I will answer all the questions. At last 10 minutes, we will use it for question and answers. Fine. So, and do not forget, so once I give the link in the group, I want you to register because it is Zoom. It will ask for name, email ID. So log in with your email ID and you will get a link. Click on that link. The link will also be available in your email also because you are giving your email ID, right? So it will come in the email ID, or if you just click on that register link, once I share it tomorrow, you will find, once you give your name and email ID, you will find that link. I will also share a video on how to log into the Zoom class. It will be a live class on 1st May. Hope I have answered all the questions. And in the meanwhile, if you have not saved my number, please save my number. Otherwise, what will happen is, when I send a message with the Zoom link, if you are not saved my number, you might not receive the, because it is a broadcast message, right? So you will not receive the Zoom link. So save my number as School of Doll Making or Sri Kolhapuri Doll School. So however you want, you can save it in the name of Doll School or Sri Kolhapuri. And the next thing is, I am uploading every week, I am uploading a free video, a doll making video, a tutorial, tips, ideas, all this I am sharing through my YouTube channel. You can watch that under the playlist free doll making tutorials and get benefited. Fine. Hope this will help you. I will see you all on 1st May at 11 o'clock. Till then, bye bye for now.